In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use DeepSeek R1 on Perplexity. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to www.perplexity.ai. From here, you can type in, as usual, your queries. But as you can see, there is a model right here. One of the models right here is R1 or DeepSeek R1. It's basically one of the strong models right now that you can use. But to get access, it's going to be easy. What you're going to do is to click right here and you're going to upgrade to Perplexity Pro. Once you upgrade to Perplexity Pro, not just DeepSeek R1, but a lot of top AI models would be accessible to you. So go again here if you've upgraded your plan and then choose R1. And now on your queries, the model that would be answering you is DeepSeek R1. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.